Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today I told you in the last video that I would go Hot Wheels shopping, and I did. I got like 9 new cars. So we're gonna start off today. So let's see how this video turns out, how good it gets, and let's start the video. Okay guys, I don't know why I just did that, but try to block out the light. Okay, I'll just turn this way. Make my head bigger light. We do have some new cars, and sorry, I didn't pick the background music this time. I'll say that it's on my TV and I don't really have a choice. So, let's start this video off with looking at what cars I have, one by one. So, I'll grab them and we can start. Okay, first one, we have, if I can get it to focus, a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Pretty nice if there wasn't a glare, which the glare is going to happen anyway. That's just where I put all of them. We have a 2019 Audi R8 Spider, plus it's a convertible, so pretty nice. Toss that up there. And these are my special cars, kind of special cars. Just okay. We got 3 Tokyo Olympics. I could only grab 2. So this one is the swimming. The top one is the blue one. Set that up there. And then the next one is skateboarding. If it would focus. There we go. Now it's focusing. Okay. Here's the third one. It's like a triathlon version. Has the bike in the back. So pretty nice. Let me move my remote higher. Next, sorry if I have to do that and bend over. We have a Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. And I don't understand what the random numbers are for, but I just kind of have to say them. Next we have the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. I've been told it's Plymouth. So, pretty nice. My uncle actually, somebody in my family actually had a Plymouth Roadrunner with a Hemi, and I think it's like a type of engine. Next we have a new for 2021 Corvette C8R. Pretty nice. Just putting them all up there. Next we have a 2017 Camaro ZL1. I thought it was a T. It's a 1. Okay. And I guess we won't be doing that one since I just dropped it. Ooh, levitating. Next we have the Nissan GTR. 2017 Nissan GTR R35. Like I said, I don't know what the random numbers are for. My signs. No, I'm not trying to make this offensive. It's just the General Lee license plate, and that's why I have it. Aston Martin 1-77. It's an emergency. I'm guessing Dubai police, because Dubai has a lot of millionaires, and through all the videos I've seen, yes, I'm on the very unstable stool again. Sorry. And with all the videos I've seen on YouTube or whatever, has been, they have Bugatti police cars, Lamborghini, Tesla, like whatever police car, like the high dollar police cars. Next we have the Apopod, and I got this for my cousin. Yeah, cousin. sorry. Next we have a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. It's one of the older model Mercedes-Benz. But for some reason I could totally see this being in James Bond or something like that. Next we have a Volkswagen Beetle. And the reason I got it is because it's actually Valentine's edition. I wish you could see it. Oh, there you go. It says Valentine 0214. So I'm guessing 2014. Or at least that's my guess. And I'm going to have to hop down, so I'm going to pause this for just a second. Okay, don't mind the fireworks. Okay, next we have a water bomber, is what this one's called. It's like a jet for the police for the water. And I'm just going to stick that right there for now. Next, the one I had to get down for, that was not on the ground, we have a Porsche 356 Outlaw. Older model Porsche has the Gulf paint thing. There you go. Pretty nice. I'm gonna hang this one a little higher so I can actually get to him when I'm up on the stool. So I'm gonna pause it if I don't trip over the stool, and I did not mean to switch the camera around. And yes, you can see an alligator hanging off my bed. Yeah. Okay. And yes, as you can see in the background, I got the whole line of cars strapped to my bed. So, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to climb back up here and start trying to put up. Well, I'm going to put them all back in this box so I can hang them down here. Okay, hold on and I'll get all the cars down and stuff like that. Okay, we're back. To me it felt like a long time. We have a little bit of open space right here, but not much. We don't have much space. I could hang it right there, maybe one right there. But like I said, we don't have much room. I wish that had more room right there where I could hang a little more, but that one right there went as far as it can go, and now there's no more room. So right there's all the space we have. I mean, and we can hang them on that string. It might look something like that, but in the shelf. So, I think I might hang Porsche. Hold on, let me switch hands. I think I might hang the Porsche right. Oh, that worked. So now I just gotta hang another one right there, if I don't fall over. Falling over wouldn't be that good of an idea, you know? So I think I might use this one right. Whew. Okay. You know how I said I couldn't pick the songs of the music? Okay, this has to be my favorite song right now. Okay, climb up here, grab my remote, which was way up here. Just turn it up. I absolutely love this song. Usually I listen to the bass boosted version. Yeah, this song really came in the right moment. Hold your balance. Okay, so we hung that one. Now we just gotta do something about those cords. Where'd my electrical tape go? Well, tape was gonna. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do about these cords, but I need to do something. So as I figure it out, I'm gonna pause it. Well, I'm not gonna pause it. It's gonna keep hanging because I want y'all to listen to this song. This is like my favorite song. Okay. Okay, I think I might hang this one right there. Okay. Now I just gotta set y'all up somewhere. It's okay. Yay, it works. Okay. Okay, now that I'm down, I hope y'all were able to see that, because I'm gonna have to go back and watch all this again before I post it. So, oh goodness, I still have so much room. I could have moved all that to this way. Ow. And I easily could have put another car on the top row. This makes me sad, mad. Okay. Well, what are we gonna do now? Just jamming to this music. There's not really much I can do at this point. I may hang some more and get back to y'all. Gotta check the time. I gotta put some more up and do something about the stupid wires. The wires are getting in the way. Especially when I'm trying to surround my entire TV in cars. Wires. Those wires are not helping at all. So, well, that might just be the end of today's video. If I don't blind y'all. Well, now my face is a little bit more lit up. Okay. I think that'd be pretty much the end of today's video. Before I end this, I need more video ideas. Okay. Here's what I want y'all to do in the comments. I will go on YouTube Studios and do that where y'all can comment. But I need you to tell me some cars that you want me to find at Walmart or wherever. No, we don't have Target in our area. So it's like Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, GameStop, and that's about it. Really, that's all I can think of. Sometimes this store called Walls, but I mean, I don't know. So if y'all do have anything y'all would like me to try to find, just leave the name of the car down in the comments. Or if I happen to have that car, I could show it to y'all on the channel in better detail. Like take it off the wall and show it better. So, if y'all would like to see a video of that, me just gathering up y'all's comments and showing y'all the cars that y'all wanted me to find, or that y'all would want me to find off my wall or something like that. Just give me some car. And I don't have an original Supra yet. I'm very disappointed about that. All I have is the newer model, so no Supra yet. But I don't have much time left. Don't have an intro, but I hope y'all will be able to subscribe, smash that like button like there is no tomorrow, and remember, have a good day.